Hello there, welcome to your Wednesday morning weather update from the Met Office, and it's a sparkling morning outside. A bit chilly in places and there's quite a breeze. And the reason why, high pressure sits towards the east of the UK and we have inherited this wind from the near continent. In shelter though, feeling warm today. The breeze will be a feature through the afternoon as well, and into Thursday, this little feature here will bring with it some showery rain towards the West Country as well as the southwestern part of Wales. Elsewhere, yet another fine day. And in fact, we see some lovely weather yet again on Friday, and temperatures will be slightly higher away from the east coast. Now through this morning, as I said, it's a bit cool outside. We're seeing a little bit of low cloud here and there, but it will burn back to the coast. For most, it's a day of blue sky and sunshine. Notice the winds coming in from a cool direction from the North Sea. So it's going to feel a bit cooler along the east coast there. And the breeze could be a bit bumpy, a bit gusty over the hills, particularly towards the west. However, in shelter, temperatures 16 to 18 degrees Celsius, 17 for northeast Wales, northwest England. So a lovely day to be out and about. Now through this evening and overnight, that low cloud tends to reform, particularly across eastern counties of England and eastern Scotland. Temperatures dipping down to around 4 or 5 degrees Celsius, slightly lower across Scotland. There could be a local frost in 1 or 2 spots. On Thursday, though, you can see this showery rain just moving in across the West Country, extending possibly towards the far south coast of Wales. But inland, temperatures 17 to 21 degrees Celsius. Into Friday, maybe a legacy of cloud first thing, but the cloud will break and we'll see a fine day yet again with some sunny spells. The wind's coming in from a northeasterly direction across eastern Scotland, northeast England. So temperatures really struggling here, 8 or 9 Celsius. So in shelter towards the west, we're likely to see a 21, perhaps a 22 somewhere. Here's your outlook then as we enter the weekend. Yet again, a bit more clouds across the eastern side of Scotland. For most, though, it's a fine day. Temperatures the mid to high teens. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you again soon.